Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world.
Hello guys, my name is Shakira Martz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, happy Vlogmas Day 14. So today is my dog's doggy party, so you guys are coming along with us. I already have the decor ready and I'm choosing between two bandanas for him to wear. So let's see which one we choose. So right now we are getting ready to put everything in place. So let's go. So we were choosing between two bandanas for my little doggy to wear. So we have this option right here. This is a reversible one. So you can see that it's like this. And the other one was this one that it's reversible too. And we ended up going for the red one right here. So we are getting ready to put all the decor already. I'm already wearing the shirt that I chose to wear today. I put some jewelry and here's the birthday boy. Hi.
Christmas lights and shining trees, but there's a greater gift we need. Not wrapped in paper, gold or lace, the love we give, a warm embrace. While hearts are full and homes are bright, let's share the joy, let's be the light. For those who have less than we do, the lonely, the lost, the broken too. So let's give more than gifts this Christmas, more than boxes tied with bows. Let's be hope for the weary hearted, love for those who feel alone. For every child without a mother, every soul without a home. This Christmas let's remember to make love and kindness known.
So here we are. He has his bandana on already. So he's ready for his birthday. See? See?
God showed us love and how to give by sending Christ that we might live, not in riches, power, or fame, but through the peace that bears his name. If he could give his son for us, then surely we can learn to trust that every gift we give away returns us joy on Christmas Day. For the orphan child, the hungry hand will be their shelter where they stand. Share our table, break our bread for those who cry, for those who bless. And let's give.
So we just finished celebrating my dog's birthday. So with that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Merry Christmas!